Hi guys! Welcome to our music channel. My name is Maya, I'm a voice teacher at Waltham Forest Music Service, and this is my friend Ringo! If you haven't heard about the music service before, make sure you check out this link. We offer tuition on a wide range of musical instruments including voice, and we also run music groups and ensembles for all abilities. Today, we'll look at some simple ideas for percussion instruments that you can make with stuff that you will find around your home, how to play some easy rhythms, and how to use those rhythms to accompany songs. So these are the homemade percussion instruments that we'll be using today. Shakers made out of plastic bottles or any other small plastic container that you will fill up with dried ingredients such as pasta, rice or any other type of grain. When making a shaker, make sure you fill up your plastic container halfway so it has a good weight and a nice sound. A tomato tin and a plastic cup that you can play with a chopstick. A small pan and a tool with a plastic handle. A plastic bucket and a wooden spoon. The first song we'll do today is a well-known train song called Engine, Engine Number 9, and it goes like this. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Now I've arranged this song in 4-part harmony, but don't worry, just stick to the main melody. You will need 3 players, including yourself, so get some family members involved. The first player will play the shaker with a forward and backward motion like this. Chiffa, chaffa, chiffa, chaffa, chiffa, chaffa. And if you feel brave enough, you can play in double speed like this. The second player will be playing this rhythm with the metal pan and the plastic tool like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engine, 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 engine. The third player will be playing the bucket with a wooden spoon. The rhythm they'll be playing, it's a little bit more challenging and it goes like this. Engine number 9, engine number 9, engine number 9, engine number 9. Now I will be clapping the beat and say the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engine number 9, engine number 9, engine number 9. And now let's hear it how it sounds with the bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engine number 9, engine number 9, engine number 9, engine number 9. And finally, let's put all the parts together, including the harmonies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engine, 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 engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Engine, 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 engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Engine, 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 engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Engine, engine, yes, no, maybe so. Engine, engine, yes, no, maybe so. We hope you enjoyed playing the Engine, Engine number 9 song. And now, let's look at another song called The Lion and the Mouse, based on Aesop's fable, The Lion and the Mouse. This song is made up by 2 choruses and 2 verses. The choruses are like an echo, so you will repeat after me. The verses are spoken in rhythm and will be accompanied by our homemade percussion. First of all, let's learn the song. So please repeat after me, just like Ringo. The Jungle King, gave a great big roar, when he caught a mouse, with his great big paw, Dear King, said the mouse, will you set me free, for the day may come, when you might need me. And these are all the rhythms that you need to know for the first verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are all the rhythms that you need to know for the second verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Jungle King gave a great big roar when he caught a mouse with his great big paw. Dear King, said the mouse, will you set me free, for the day may come when you might need me. The king was amazed. He roared a lot. Roar, 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 roar. The lion was strong. And the mouse was not. But the lion set him free. Shoo, 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 shoo. With a wiggle and a grin. To think that a mouse could save the king. The Jungle King gave a great big roar. He was trapped by ropes on the jungle floor. Dear King, said the mouse, I will set you free, for the day has come when you do need me. The mouse scurried round. He squeaked a lot. His teeth were strong, and he chewed each knot. The mouse set him free. Shoo, 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 shoo. With a wiggle and a grin. To think that a mouse had saved the king. Dear King, said the mouse, I have set you free, for the day did come when you needed me. For the day did come when you needed me. Goodbye everyone, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed playing and singing with us, and we wish you a lovely summer. Goodbye!